You can always pause this to read it. Please take the time to subscribe to all these channels. They're really great channels. You'll learn a lot. I just get tired of typing all this stuff all the time, and that's why I'm recording it. So this video is going to consist of me packing up this Dutch clock because somebody wants to buy it, and this is for them. I took the pendulum off. You open up this back door. The pendulum goes up through the slot in the bottom of the clock, and it connects to the pins on the crutch assembly. Hopefully you can see that. But I'm taking this off and it'll be wrapped separately. I'm going to put some packing material in there. There's a piece of glass that I'll add with the clock, but you'll have to put it in. The videos, like I said in my post, they're not original, but I took them out of these holes. There's 3 of them, and I'll pack those separately. And the thing with the post office is you have to, what makes the cost so high is the size and weight of the box. So I'm going to bubble wrap that clock, put it in this box, and then cut that box down. And these weights I will wrap separately and put them in the box also. This is a piece of glass that goes in the side. It kept coming out. You could glue it in to keep it secured. I have a piece of noodle that I put in there. That way the crutch assembly doesn't move back and forth while it's being shipped. The chains I put in that Ziploc bag and they're secured to the clock. The clock itself I bubble wrapped several times, going this way and then going this way. So, and it's nice and tight and secured. The pendulum is in this box, which I will put, and it didn't pass my shake test, so I will add packing material. And I'm also going to put this piece of glass inside that box, along with these finials inside that box. And with all that stuff in there, it passes my shake test. The weights, I had the styrofoam laying around, so the weights are inside the styrofoam, and I'm going to put a piece of styrofoam on top and tape it all up. Now this is what I got so far, so I'm only going to be able to cut just a little bit off this box to make it smaller. And that's what I have. As you can see, nothing moves. It passes my shake test. The weight and the size of the box is going to determine the cost of shipping. The weight of the box is almost 15 pounds. Per USPS, this is how much the shipping costs, $19.65 plus insurance. The lady has paid me. This is the clock. I had it listed for 11 weeks. Salander clock made by Warmink. And I mention all the stuff of all the issues. But that's the clock. Wendy, I hope you enjoy your birthday present. I've got videos on repairing this clock and other clocks. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll see videos of me repairing this clock. I think you got a great deal. God bless.